Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how you can insert image by just dragging the image from your desktop or any folder to your WordPress website, and you don't have to go to media and upload the files individually. You just need to drag the file that you want to upload, image file that you want to upload to your post WordPress website, and the rest will be done with the help of this plugin I am talking about in this video. Okay, first of all we need to go over to plugin, add new plugin here, and in the search just type drag and drop upload, click search plugin, and the first plugin is from by Julian Magnon. Magnon WP drag and drop upload is the plugin that I am talking about. Click install it. Once installed, just activate the plugin. Okay, once you activate the plugin, you will see a new link in your dashboard. Click DND upload settings and auto publish into editor after successful upload, auto create attachment recommended, use Gmail draw file style, and these are the few settings that you can do. Using auto publish into editor after successful upload. Okay, now what we have to do is just go to add new post. I'm going to show you how this plugin actually works. Okay, as you can see, there is a new section appear just below, and it's in green color and just below the editor, and this is the area where you need to drag and drop the file, image file from your computer. Okay, I'm showing you, and this is the image. I just click it and dragging this to here, and plugin is uploading the file to my WordPress site. It takes few seconds. Okay, it's done, and as soon as the uploading is done, the image will appear into your WordPress editor, and it's already uploaded. You don't have to go to add media section here and upload the file individually. This is the easiest way to upload a file to your WordPress site. I hope you like the plugin as well as the video. Thank you.